Hello everyone. Today, we're fixing 5 common grammar mistakes. First, subject-verb agreement. It's he goes, not he go. Remember the S for he, she, it. Next, articles. I have a car, not I have car. Use a or an for general things, the for specific ones. Also, prepositions, in for cities, on for days, and for times. I live in London on Monday at 5 o'clock. Then, verb forms. Say I agree, not I am agree. Lastly, double negatives. Only one negative word per sentence. I don't need any help, not I don't need no help. Review. He goes, use a divided by an divided by the. Careful with in divided by on divided by at. Say I agree, and one negative is enough. Practice makes perfect.